Sorry guys, I just ran out of storage. I deleted 3 storage videos, so hopefully I'll have enough time. I just finished wiping off the back grill. I don't know where I was out of storage at. Maybe I was still cleaning the blades. But yeah, hopefully you got a bit of me cleaning the blades. So you know how. You just do the same thing on all of the things. Oh, I forgot the other side of the back grill. Never mind. Have to do this side. You're gonna get a bunch of cleaner on the cardboard, just let you know. Just wipe it down. Just give it a quick wipe down. My back grill's really dirty. This rag doesn't have much filth on it, but it's really dirty because the cleaner's all murky on here. The cleaner's all murky. Okay, now let's do the front grill. First, let's start with the side that has the brand name. The Lasko brand name part has some dirt on it, so I'm gonna put some on there and the rest around here. First, I'm gonna clean the name. There we go. The name looks much cleaner. I'm not rushing. I am going fast. I'm not like rushing, but I am going fast because I don't want to run out of storage again and have to make a part 3. This other side's even dirtier. Oh, I got cleaner on this. There we go. Maybe I'm not going to make the video of cleaning the kennel today until I delete videos. Maybe I'll make that another time because it's not that dirty. Okay, I'm done with this grill. We can start putting grills back on. Plus I am not out of storage. Good. Okay, how about we start with the back grill? I'm just going to let this one dry a little bit. I'll show you my technique. I'm pretty sure lots of people do this, but this is what I like to do. And I'm pretty sure lots of people definitely do this. I don't care if it was in cleaner, because I'm putting on the back grill first. It's not going to get on the motor. Make sure the screw holes are nice and aligned. We'll just make sure it's aligned. Okay. Now, grab 6 screws out of your bag. 5, 6. And then this is what I do. I just twist them in a little bit by hand. That's my technique. I'm pretty sure lots of, like, probably over 1 million people do that. But I'm pretty sure some people do not do that. It's not a trick. Yes, it's not a trick. I just like to do that. Darn, this is not aligned good. I can't get a screw in here. Darn it. There we go. Wait, it's not in there. Yeah, it's just, I think I'm out of, yep. I think it just turned out of storage. No, I'm still seeing you guys. I can't even get the hole a little bit there. Did I get it? Nope. What did I do? Okay guys, I'm pretty sure you know how to screw screws, and this is just a pain in the butt. I'm gonna have to start this again, but bye.